Welcome, my dear friends. My name is Yuri, top trading author. This lesson about MT4 tutorial, how to use MT4 as a guide. I will teach you first how to download MT4, set charts, open trades, close trades, and everything what you need to do. That's why let's study this lesson. Let's go. Your first step will be, if you want to use MT4 trading platform, you need to download platform with good broker. I recommend you to use Trader because they are FCA regulated. If you open FCA, you would see FCA authorized firm details, Trader, call OK. I recommend to work with this company. Also, a link for registration with this company you will find below this lesson. For my partners, I provide risk management software for free and have automatic trading robot. Details will be below this video. Okay, about Trader, as you can see, I don't need to register account because I already have account with this company. That's why I will not spend a lot of time to it, and I just will download MT4, and after that we will start. That's why wait for MT4 download. As you can see here, we can download MT4, push button and download it for Windows, and after that setup. Go ahead. After that your setup will be open and you will have something like that. And after that, as you can see, my MT4 is ready, and at this moment I can open MT4 with Trader, and as you can see here I have my MT4. And after that I will show you what to do with charts and all of that stuff. First time when you will open MT4, you will have something like this. Maybe you will have 4 charts with Euro USD and other instruments, and that would be your start. What should you do at the start? First, your broker company should send to you login and password into your MT4, and with that login and password, as you can see here, you can push on this button, and after that you can log in into your account. As you can see, I have many accounts which I already log in, my login, password, and server access. And after that I push login, and at this moment, as you can see, my account login journal, I'm in, and I can use MT4 and I can open a trades. For this lesson I will not use my real account. For this lesson I will open demo account. That's how you can open demo account. Open file, open an account. At this moment you should choose server US demo account. After that, next, new demo account, and after that you should write information about yourself. I choose USD currency, account size, and I agree to subscribe, and okay. And after that, as you can see, this account connected to demo account, and I have, as you can see, demo account. That's really important because when you learn how to work with platform, you don't need real account because you can make some mistakes, and that mistakes will cost money to you. Let's start and let's learn how to work with charts and everything, how to make it really beautiful. As you can see at this moment, it is my demo account, which I can use, which I can chart, which we have at this moment. First, when you open it, you should push on this stuff. It calls, as you can see here, Market Watch Counter plus M, and here you will see list of all instruments which you can trade. As you can see, it is all my currency pairs. If you want all currency pairs, you open menu, and after that you can show all instruments, and after that you will see all instruments in MT4 which you possibly can trade. At this moment, as you can see, I opened Australia, Euro USD. Okay, at this moment, at the top, as you can see, you have so many things which you can use. At this moment, as you can see, you can move all of them, and you can add some stuff. Also, you can open this customize, and you can add something and delete something. As you can see, at this moment, I don't need this one, I don't need this one, and I can delete them. Also here, in some cases, when you will open that, you will not have like indicators, period, templates, all that stuff here. That's why you can add it. And also here, drawing tools. When you will download MT4, you will not have this one, triangle, and something like that, and ellipse. As you can see, I just add ellipse. And about time frame, the same. You can delete and add some time frames. Here you will have all this stuff. You can spend more time about this. I will do it a little bit faster. About chart, how to make your chart beautiful. First, you open here open menu and open properties. After that, you should choose colors which you will use. Here you can use standard colors, you can use green, you can use black on white. I love to use bar chart, show ask, show period separation, shift, and all of this stuff you should push. At this moment you should choose a background. I will show you some background which you can use. None, I don't like a grid. Bar up, I love when bar up dark green. Bar down, I love when it is red. Bull candle green. Bear candle red. Line graph volume, ask, and stop levels. And at this moment, as you can see, I have such chart, and I have such chart. For me it's really beautiful chart. Also about indicators, you can delete indicators in two ways. First one, you put here, you just open menu, you click on indicator and delete. And as you see here, you can also delete, or you open this menu and you can open indicator list. And as you can see, here is an indicator list, and you can add it or delete, and that's all, and close. I don't like indicators, that's why I don't use it. At this moment, as you can see, when you will add new chart, you will have the not beautiful chart. What you should do on chart which you make suitable for you, you should save a template. How you can save a template? Also open menu, template, save template, and you can see I will save this template, and after that you will have this template, as you can see, and you can add so many instruments, and you will be able to use that template. Okay friends, let's go to entries. I will show you how to open entries, close entries, and all other stuff which is really important. Next part about entries, how to open entries, close, stop loss, take profits. I will show you all the ways. When you open MT4, you can open entry in different ways. First, you will have this button, new order, or you can press F9. At this moment, as you can see, you can open entry at any market or execution and pending order. First, I will show you market execution, and after that pending orders, and explain all of them. First, as you can see here, you can choose symbol. Always pay attention what symbol you trade, because I remember when I made mistake when I was a pressure, and without EURUSD I chose oil, and there was totally different value of 1 pip, and it was a huge loss to me. After that, volume, you can choose volume which you want to trade, for example 2.56. Stop loss, take profits. You can set stop loss before entry or after. For you can choose by yourself. And at this moment, as you can see, we can press and we can open entries. Is this by market? What does it mean by market? That you send order and it execute at price which your liquidity provider broker can get you at this moment. As you can see, we have sell entry at this moment here. How you can set stop losses? First one, on a chart you can just take the price and move here, and after that you will accept this agreement. First time it will not work, but second time when you will set it, you will have your stop loss. And after that, when you will put on your stop loss, you will see how many pips you have in your stop loss and USD. The same with take profit. It is a first way how you can set your stop losses. About if you want to delete your stop loss, if you don't want to have it. First one, also on a chart, you can open menu and you can cancel stop loss, and the same with take profit. You can cancel take profit. Another way how you can set stop loss, take profit, it is here. You just set stop loss. As you can see, you can choose how many pips and value. For example, you chose that your stop loss will be 25 pips. As you can see here, and modify and set. As you can see, we have 27 pips from entry point. We have our stop loss. With take profit, the same. You can push 2 times on take profit, and as you can see here, we set our take profit. We can make it even bigger if you want, and at this moment you have your take profit. If price will hit it, profit will be 1,400. That's example for you what you can do with market orders. Also, some of you will need to close part of position. When you need to close part of position, you can put 2 times here on a size, 2 times. And after that, as you can see, you have a bottom close. If you will close at this moment, you will close your entire position. But as you can see, we can change volume and you can close part of position. As you can see, 0.3. we close part of position. As you can see, volume decrease, and in a history you have this entry, as you can see it here. Another way, you can close whole position in two ways. First one, you just close here, or you close on this bottom, and at this moment you closed your entry. Another way how you can set your trades, at this moment I will show you how to use pending orders in next chapter. About pending orders, my friends, first it's important for you to open this picture, because this picture will show to us all order types. As you can see, on a fixed market we have 4 types of pending orders. On a fixed market we have 6 types of orders, 6 ways how you can open entry. First one, it is buy stop. As you can see, order placed above price and price going up. Buy limit, lower, continue up price. Sell stop, sell below current price. And sell limit, sell above current price. And also sell by market and buy by market. In MT4, how you can use it? First, in some cases you can just open menu. As you can see, always you will have set sell limit here, buy limit here. How it works? Above price here. About the price, as you can see, we have price here. How we can set different pending orders? Let's open order. Open new order. After that, you check what instrument you would like to trade. Here, let's set one limit. After that, here you will have type pending order. Here you will have type of orders which you want to use. First one, it will be buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Let's start by everyone and I will show you how to use them. First one, let's use buy limit. Buy limit, it is when you buy below current price. For example, we want to open entry if Euro USD will drop into this area. That's why after that you choose buy limit, and after that you need to write what price you will choose. Let's use price by this candle, and you can see 1.1124 Let's see 11.24 That would be our buy limit price. 11.22. As you can see, we set buy limit here. What it will mean? If price will drop into this area, we will have buy entry. At this moment, how you can set stop loss and take profits on this entry? The same here. You push 2 times here on stop loss, and after that you decide what stop loss you should have. As you can see, for example, I set stop loss on 20 pips lower, and about take profit also you can set take profit like 1.1324. As you can see, you have take profit here. Also, after when you have take profit on a chart, you can move it. That's buy limit, how it works. How to delete it? The same. You push button here and you delete it. Example, when it will execute. As you can see, you also can move all this construction up and down. And for example, we want to get that entry, and you can move it here close to entry. 10 pips from entry place, you will see green here. And at this moment, as you can see, I move closer to the price because I want that it would execute, and I want to show it to you what will be after that. Few seconds, I will wait for execution, and after that we'll push continue. You can see price drop down and we have order here, and after that with this order you can work like with market. You can move stop loss, the same. You can move stop loss, you can move your take profit, and you can do whatever you want. The same. You can here you can move stop loss. Also you can close part of position. We closed, as you can see, half of position, and you can see it in account history here. And after that you can delete. The next one type of pending order, let's open it. And next time pending order, it is sell limit. Sell limit, it is when you open sell above current price. Let's set sell limit. We have 1260. What does it mean, sell limit? For example, you have some area like here, and you want to open sell here because you believe that from this place price can drop. It will help you to have a lower stop loss. That's why you set pending order here. After that you set your stop loss. You can set pending order without stop loss, with stop loss at the same time. As you can see here, for example, I set at the same time stop loss and take profit. When I set pending order, I always set it with my stop loss at release, because there could be huge moves, especially on news, and if price will go against me, I need to be protected and I need to secure my account. And at this moment, as you can see, price hit pending order, sell above current price, and we have pending order, close it. The next one type of pending order, it is buy stop. What does it mean? Buy stop, it is just buy above current price. The logic of this type of pending order, very simple. You have some key level and you believe that breakout of this key level price can make powerful uprise, and you buy stop you set above current price, and that's all. Example here, as you can see, I just set pending order without any stop loss at this moment, and after that I set stop loss 57 and I choose stop loss 7 pips. As you can see, I set really small stop loss because I just want to price would hit it as fast as it possible, because I want to show it to you how it works. As you can see, price hit pending order, and after that we can move stop loss, take profit, and whatever you want, close. And the last type of pending order, it is sell stop. Sell stop logic opposite to buy stop. You want to open sell below current price. In most cases you use it when you have some key levels and you believe if price will break it up or down, after that there would be a powerful drop. As you can see here, I set sell stop pending order, and at this moment also I will do the same. I will move it to the price because I want to look how it will execute. I just want that the price will push few pips below and we will get it. I think you saw with other type of pending orders how it works. At this moment we should finish with that. Okay, and after that you delete your pending order, and that's all. That's all how pending orders works. How can you add some indicator on your chart? When you use indicator or robots, first you need to add your indicators inside into your MT4 platform. Example for you, I have indicator which I personally use, which I create with my team together. As you can see here, it would be indicators. You can see it is ATR and ATR my. It is my indicator which I create for myself because for me it's important to have it. At this moment, how it works? You have indicators when you push navigator. You have indicators and expert advisors. Expert advisors, it is a robot. And indicators, it is a soft which help you trade better. As you can see here, I have my indicator ATR my, and I just put it on a chart. I choose inputs, as you can see, and common, LODAL, colors, visualization, and that's all. And at this moment, as you can see, I have indicator on a chart. That's an example just for you how it works. Let's open daily chart and we will see numbers of this indicator. Another stuff which you can set on your chart, for example, you want to add MACD. You have MACD. There must be stochastic oscillator. As you can see, stochastic oscillator. Moving average. I know so many traders who use moving average in their trades because they believe that moving average it is powerful. Bollinger Bands. As you can see, you can add on your chart as many indicators as you want. It's up to you and it's completely easy. About every indicator, first you push indicator list and you can open edit and you will have settings, how to use all of these settings. About indicators, I'll record additional lesson how to use it, but for me it's important just to show to you here that you can edit. That's all. That's why don't forget about this folder. My friends, it was MT4 tutorial for you. I hope it was useful. At this moment, what I would like to ask you, push like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, because you can open our YouTube channel and you can see how many lessons you can have it. My trading strategy, how to build key levels, ATR indicator, false breakout, common mistakes in trading, my personal experience, and also a lot of different and other useful stuff. Believe me, that will be a game changing for you when you will subscribe on this YouTube channel. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.